guys, welcome to this some other eye spot. Yeah, start from a cornea and then light shaded there. This guys, some more shades. Use light pressure to apply the pencil and then add some more texture. After that, add some more texture, highlights, outer lines. Using outer, yes, this will lacrimal gland. This bottom line is meibomian glands. The center is conjunctiva space, and start from a cornea. Some more faster time lapses using green shades. This will colorful eye, and some more add nerves and macula parts and butter layer and oil layer, and you add some more nerves and shading. Yes, shading, keep on shading. Yes, that will stop. Yes, use some more shades, black and orange base, that will shows and edges to crappy mode. Add some more yellow shades, lightly shades, light pressure to apply, that will show up and downs in head of eye, that's a cornea parts, and then make more layers and oil layers to budges in a curved small space of that will show up in a curved and plot view to emerge and pop up your central cornea parts. Yes guys, that will show up, and yes, some time lapse and use some other colors, orange and some other colors to glow up side part to center cornea to emerge to pull up and a pop up about line, that will show up curved and boss view to viewers to attach the center line to center part to pop up in the middle, that will show up in a 3D angle, that will make your picture to some more realistic, and use some orange to sides, that will shows nerves to colors, blend some other colors to add. Thanks for watching guys, and follow and use some black face, that will collapse yours. Yeah, right, that will collapse. Thanks for watching.